In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Evernote. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, making sure you can access your Evernote account smoothly is essential for managing your notes effectively. Let's walk through the steps one by one so you can start organizing your thoughts without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the Evernote homepage. If you're not quite sure which site to visit, simply type in Evernote into your search engine and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the Evernote website, take a look around as the layout might have changed slightly since you last visited, but the navigation remains intuitive. Near the top of the homepage, you'll notice an option to log in, or sometimes sign up or log in. This is where you'll want to click to start the login process. It's important to pay attention to this area, especially if you have an account already, because there's also an option for new users to sign up. Since our focus is logging in, go ahead and click where it says Log In. After selecting the login option, you'll have a few choices for how you want to access your account. The most traditional method is using your email address associated with your Evernote account and its corresponding password. If you're like many users and have a specific password strategy, now is the time to recall those details. Make sure to enter your email and password carefully to avoid any login errors. Another convenient way to log in, especially if you like streamlined processes, is using the Continue with Google option. For this method to work, you must already have Google Sign-In set up with your Evernote account. When you choose this option, you might be prompted to log into your Google account if you aren't logged in already. This method is ideal if you prefer not to remember yet another password and want a quick way to access your notes. For Apple enthusiasts, there's the possibility of using Apple Sign-In to access your account. Similar to the Google method, this will require that you've already connected your Apple ID to Evernote. If you select this option, just follow the prompts and authenticate with your Apple credentials. Whichever method you choose, the process should only take a moment, and you'll be greeted with your dashboard upon successful login. It's as simple as that. Now you're ready to manage your notes, create new entries, or review the ones you've already made. So go ahead and get started with Evernote's powerful tools to enhance your productivity. And that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel confident accessing your Evernote account. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.